All right, today, real quick, I want to show you something, but I need to give you a 30 to 40-second intro. And no, this is not the van. For those of you that don't know, you can check it out right here. We've made a video all about how we've created passive income as we've traveled the country by an advertisement on the back of our van. The agreement we had with our contact was we'll do this for a year, and that year is up. Therefore, I created a little montage of all the different places we've been to send over to him. And I think it, if I don't say so myself, I think it turned out pretty cool. It just gives a quick snapshot of a ton of places that we've been around the US. And yeah, wanted to show it to you. So without any further ado, the montage.